Well, as you know, for the past few months now, I've been using this Advent C12 rubber, just your typical rubber dome keyboard. It's a nice keyboard, but you can see the keycap is wearing off, and sometimes the key is stiff. One thing I do like about this keyboard, it's got caps lock and scroll lock buttons, lights and power sleep away buttons, which would turn off your computer. But now it is time for replacement because this keyboard is starting to get tired. The spacebar and the enter key and the shift keys, the keyboard's starting to get worn out, so it's time for replacement. And here it is, guys, my replacement keyboard. So, keep yourself tuned in, watching HD, because you are watching Lift Serve for 2019, the channel made in living memory of the original Elvis Presley and Hot Point's first electronic washing machine, the Hot Point First Edition 1000. No time for intro music this time, but here is the new keyboard. It is a Logitech MK250. This keyboard is now discontinued and also comes with a mouse. Here is the mouse. However, this mouse will not be replacing my current mouse because my current mouse is better than this also. Because it's a pretty good mouse, but it's not as good as the mouse I've got now. There's an optical sensor at the bottom. This mouse I use now, the Logitech gaming mouse. Now, I found this keyboard in my loft, and it still works fine, so I figured I'd use it. This is just a rubber dome keyboard. Oh, it's on. I'm not using it. That's what it sounds like. Yeah. So yeah, it's just a normal rubber dome keyboard. And the key is louder than the space key, and the shift key is also a bit loud. Yeah, this is the keyboard I'm going to be using to replace my Advent C12. But you have to drain holes for water resistance, so if you spill, like this for example, is a cup of Ibeen on it, it'll be fine. This keyboard is now discontinued. It has two little legs, like on my Advent C12 and my ADX55K1. And this keyboard is powered by two AAA batteries using Duracells. This is the underneath the keyboard. MK250. Got some precautions there. It's passed as well. Now we'll do a sound test. Also, you've got 5 rubber feet on the bottom instead of 4. Here's an audio test. Here's a sound. Here's what the keys sound like. Just sing some stuff on the home row. The camera. This is an older keyboard because it's got the older Windows 7 logo. Now I'll turn on the keyboard and demonstrate the features. So to turn on the keyboard, you just have to put the batteries in. Plug in the receiver, which I've already done, so that's the receiver there. I'll show you what these keys do. So the just FN button or function button, and my ADX55K1 keyboard, which I still own, but I don't use it anymore. It has this feature as well. So we've got F1, which turns off your computer, which I won't do. F2 mutes or mutes the what's the name? Unmutes the audio. F3 turns the volume down, and F4 turns the volume up. F5 turns on music, goes to your music. Then it's running on Windows 10, so it may vary. I'm guessing this is that F6 is a play and pause button, so if you're watching a video, it's perfect. Oh, it does play solo as well on this Roblox Studio app for some reason. Anyway, F7 rewind the audio to the start, and it's for some reason opening Roblox Studio, which I don't know why that is, but that's very weird. Now look, I've got to deal with. I've got to close all these down for some reason. Oh my goodness, how many Roblox users am I getting? Freeze these all. No, I won't do anything. And then I've got to close the program now. Sorry about this, guys. This is going to be annoying. Okay, that's one gone. For some reason. Okay, I just got to close all these down, and I'll continue with this review of my new keyboard. It's not actually new, but it's my replacement keyboard. I want this to be open, so I want to get rid of this now. There we go. So that's... But that button does the opposite. Now I'll take the video to the end of the clip. Function F9 will take you to the home screen or your browser. So you can see it's opened Edge. F10 will open up your mail, as you can see. The F11 will open up the search on Windows 10, as you can see. And F12 opens the calculator. Yeah. I've got a print screen and the pause break. Very good keys to have. Home, end, insert, page up, delete, page down. Your arrow keys. So suitable for gaming. Yes, you can game on this keyboard if you are wondering. That's your numlock. Number pad. So here I am typing on this. So here I'm using the keyboard. So I'll go onto Notepad and type it. Actually, no, what? So we go on. Look how many edges I've opened up. If you press it too many times, it will open up so many apps. Look at this. Very cool. Okay, let's use this. Okay, you get the idea. Don't need to be on there. But yeah, this is a great keyboard. It's absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is probably one of the best keyboards I've ever owned, in my opinion. Caps lock, tab key. So this is just a normal layout. If you haven't got a scroll lock button, like my Advanced C12, which is unfortunate because the scroll lock button's really useful, but you can't have everything. This is a nice keyboard. I mean, the keys are nice and quiet. They're much quieter than the keys on my Advanced C12. Plus, that's wired, so that's fantastic. I mean, I really like this keyboard. Anyway, guys, that's my new keyboard. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.